our elbow macaroni, because we're making the classic macaroni salad today. You know, summertime is here and we make different salads. We make tortellini, we make potato, we make just tricolor, we make Italian salads, we make Greek salads, we make salads galore, and today I'm going to make the classic macaroni salad for you. Over here on the stove, I have got about 2 cups, because I'm making a small batch, but you make it for as large that you need, as many cups as you need. Up to 4 cups you can make your recipe to go. Okay, so I have got my elbow macaroni. The classic is elbow macaroni. The classic is using elbow macaroni, and this here is elbow macaroni. For those of you that don't know what it is, this is elbow macaroni. The other cut, which is ditellani, this is ditellani. It's like a soup macaroni, but it also can be used for pasta macaroni salad. Okay? All right, so there we have it. So there's our salad, and that is cooking over there. So what you need for this is basically some celery. We're going to make our sauce here, and we're going to start with some celery. We're just going to cut it up. So we have some celery. You could put carrot grated in this if you like. I've put carrot. I've put artichoke hearts. I put all kinds of things in here. So you can put whatever you like. Bell peppers. I'm going to put pimentos today. So we'll have some pimentos in here. And you see how I cut the ribs this way? I'm cutting the ribs so that we get our nice little diced pieces here for our salad. And if you happen to have some of the beautiful leaf parts of the celery, this celery didn't have hardly any, so I couldn't use it, but if you have it, throw them in too. Throw them in too. They have a nice flavor to do your salads with, okay? All right. So there we have that piece. I'm going to throw in here some pimentos. I have some jarred pimentos, and I think today I'm going to give a couple, 1, maybe 2 tablespoons for this, because I'm only making a cup of macaroni, which is going to double to 2 cups when it cooks, okay? And then I'm going to need, for more things, you can put some bell pepper in here if you like to get color and all of that. I'm going to give some, you can chop onion if you like onion. I'm going to use some onion powder today. Oh, about a teaspoonful like that, more or less. About half a teaspoon. Okay, and then I'm also going to put some black pepper and some salt. Some black pepper. Oh, maybe about a quarter of a teaspoon here. Black pepper, there we go. Okay, and then we'll give it a good teaspoonful to start of salt so that we can make our, we'll give it to make our beautiful sauce for our macaronis, okay? All right, so as I said, this is the basics. You can add things to it. Don't put what I have in. Put some artichoke hearts if you have them. Put some bell peppers if you've got them. Put some, oh, matter of fact, I think I will. Anthony will stay focused on our bowl, and I think I'm going to put some beautifully sliced olives in here. Okay, some black olives. And I think I'm going to, let's see here. I have something over here. So I'm going to put some black sliced olives in here today. Alrighty. And these olives right in. So now we'll have some black sliced olives to go into our macaroni salad mix. Okay, so now I'm also going to put some red mustard. How about yellow? This is red mustard. I don't know, okay. So I'm going to put some mustard in here, and I think we'll probably give it a 2 tablespoons here. We'll just get it in here like this. That's teaspoons, and then I think maybe I'll give it another, I'll double that, okay? All right, so there we have some yellow mustard. Okay, yellow mustard, this, that, salt, pepper, pimentos, and mayo. Okay, depending on how much you're going to make, you will add the mayo accordingly. I'm going to give it about, because I like things a little more wetter because Anthony has to have them that way. So I'm going to give it at least a cup here of mayo, depending on how wet or not wet you like your macaroni salad. You can do that accordingly too. All right, so now I've got this ready to go, and we'll take a look and see if our macaroni pieces over here, and I'll bring them over here to this little stove, and we'll see how they're doing. Okay, let me see here. We'll bring them right over here and take a look, and these need just a little more, okay? And the thing to remember is everybody makes these things differently, okay? Everybody has their own recipe that's in the family. I like to do it differently. And what I have in the house, if I had some artichoke hearts, I'd use them or whatever. But this is basically what we're going to do today. And so we'll come back and show you how this looks in one of the shorts as I put this all together. So thanks for watching us. I appreciate it. We're over 1,600 subscribers now and counting. This is Pete, thanking you all. Out.